right, my name is Nick Groat, founder and CEO of Safe Life Defense, and for SHOT Show 2025, we're introducing our new Unity Hybrid Armor System. It is something that isn't even available on the site yet, just here for people at the show. It is 100% US made and very compliant, extraordinarily modular vest that is made out of the very, very, very best of materials. It allows you to customize not only your lower placards like other armor, but also the top portion and the rear upper and lower portion. In fact, all three of these vests that are here are the same one with different attachments, and they're made not to bolt on like Molly, so you have all the sloppiness and kind of bulkiness of it, but to be in a very professional, low profile, and highly functional manner. Has tons and tons of other features, which we'll be announcing in the next couple weeks.